Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to fix something went wrong in the NHL 23. So our first method is that you have to just open your any browser, like I am using the Chrome browser, and then search here for the EA. Now you have to just click to open the first website here, and you will find such type of the interface. Just click on the profile icon and then click on the sign in. Basically you have to just log into your game via the account which is already linked to your game, like it is PlayStation or the Twitch account or anyone. You have to just put here the details of that account and then click on the sign in. Doing so, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log into your game. And moving to the next solution, you have to just open a new tab and then search here for the EA Sport. Doing so, you have to just contact to the sport team of the EA and then make a live chat with them, and they will help you solve your problem. For this, you have to just click on the first website to open it, and after opening this website, you have to just search here for the NHL 23 and then select to open it. And after some processing, you have to just click on the PS5 or PS4 as you want, and then click on the manage my account, and then here you have to just click on the cannot login, and then click on the select to contact option here, and a new interface will open for you. Here you have to just put here your first name, last name, and your email address. After that, you have to just make a live chat with the support team of the EA. After that, they will solve your problem. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.